Imagine a car so rare, so meticulously crafted, that it takes over a month to build just one unit. A car that doesn't just roar but sings a mechanical symphony at 9,000 RPM. A car that was never meant to make a profit but to prove a point. That Lexus, the luxury arm of Toyota, could compete with the best in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Lexus LFA, a masterpiece that redefined what a supercar could be. Born out of passion, ambition, and a relentless pursuit of perfection, the LFA wasn't just a car. It was a statement. At its heart lies a 4.8-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, co-developed with Yamaha, producing 552 horsepower and a spine-tingling exhaust note that's often described as one of the best in automotive history. This engine, capable of revving to an ear-shattering 9,000 RPM, propels the LFA from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and onto a top speed of 202 miles per hour. But the LFA isn't just about speed, it's about precision. Its carbon fiber reinforced polymer (CFRP) monocoque chassis makes it lightweight yet incredibly strong, enhancing its agility and handling. Every curve, every line, and every bend on the LFA's aerodynamic body serves a purpose, blending form and function seamlessly. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit wraps around you like a glove, with premium materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber creating an atmosphere of luxury and performance. The LFA's design isn't just for show, it's engineered to slice through the air with minimal resistance, providing stability at high speeds. For those craving even more performance, Lexus offered the Nürburgring package, a track-focused version with increased power, aerodynamic enhancements, and a fixed rear wing. Only 50 units were made, making it even rarer than the standard LFA. Despite its limited production run of just 500 units, the LFA's impact on the automotive world is immeasurable. It proved that Lexus could compete with the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche, setting a new standard for what a supercar could be. Today, the LFA is a highly sought-after collector's item, often fetching prices exceeding $1 million. But its value goes beyond money. It represents a moment in time when passion, innovation, and craftsmanship came together to create something truly special. Let's debunk some myths. Some say the LFA was a commercial failure, but the truth is, it was never meant to be profitable. It was a passion project designed to showcase Lexus's engineering capabilities. Others claim it's just a fancy Toyota, but the reality is, the LFA shares no major components with any Toyota vehicle. It was developed as a standalone project, with its own unique engine, chassis, and design. And while some argue that the LFA is outdated compared to modern supercars, its analog driving experience and emotional appeal make it timeless. Many enthusiasts argue that it's more engaging to drive than many modern hypercars. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing automotive perfection, the Lexus LFA is that dream realized. So, what do you think? Is the LFA the ultimate supercar, or do you have another favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of iconic cars. Until next time, keep chasing your automotive dreams.